From my perspective, what has the ABA done for me as a judge in the judicial perspective? It put me in contact with a lot of people who are judges in other states and internationally judges who have different perspectives on the way things should be done. I'm from California, and so we like to think of ourselves as being somewhat progressive, though on some issues we haven't been so progressive, but we have a different perspective. But I like to hear from other people, because if they've done something before, I don't have to repeat those mistakes, and vice versa. And I have a network of individuals now who are on my email list, and when things come up and I want to talk to someone, and also don't forget, as a judge, it's very isolating. In practice, you might have 100 different lawyers in your firm that you can talk to and bounce ideas off of. When you become a judge, you become very isolated. You're in your chambers. All of your colleagues are busy too. You have friends and colleagues around the country or internationally who are on different time zones, and so they might be available. But it's nice to have that input. It's nice to know you're not alone, and that the things that you're feeling, whether it be stress on the job or publicity, cameras in the courtroom, things that perhaps you've never had to deal with from the judicial perspective. You've got judges who've been through that before and who can talk you through it and talk you away from the cliff, as it were, as these things come up. And it's meant a lot to me to have those sorts of friendships and those sorts of contacts.